let's imagine you've built a new building and you have staff members going into this building and you have lots of wonderful light and open windows and open office seating. And then here you are as a manager in this setting, hearing about staff who are really upset because they feel like people are watching them all the time and they can't focus on their work and they want some privacy. And as a manager, you're starting to say, oh, I'm so frustrated by this. Why don't they just be appreciative of this building and focus on the work? And then maybe a social worker works in this setting, an employee assistance or in HR in some way to help them understand, a large number of people have been through traumatic experiences. They've grown up in families where domestic violence, they were being watched very carefully, constantly by the abuser. Or they grew up in a society, in another country where they were under threat and being watched a lot. Well, being in a work setting where you're being watched a lot might start to trigger off those old feelings. And again, I wouldn't know, oh, this is my old feeling from such and such a situation. I just know that I feel anxious, on edge, and can't focus. Social worker might recognize that, again, not through anybody's intention, but that there are parts of this work setting that might actually be setting off certain reactions in a large subset, a quarter to a third of the population at work, and then help managers come up with a strategy to design or work with their workforce in a way so that people feel like they have some power and choice and ability to make themselves feel safer in those settings.